languages because we also have some family members who cannot speak Tagalog. So, good afternoon everyone, to all of you. Una sa lahat, first of all, wow! Just look around this room and there's so many familiar faces that even myself, kahit ako, ang tagal ko na hindi kayo nakita. So, I'm sure masaya si Mama na nandito tayo lahat. And then, we can feel yung so much love and there's so much, you know, that aside from the love and the care that each one of us share, later on we're also gonna have so much food. So, but before I go on, let's take a moment to see how, you know, amazing Mama is. So let's all give her a round of applause. Maraming salamat in Tagalog for being here. Thank you so much in English. Plenty mahalos for our Hawaiian friends who, you know, all those who have traveled far, yung mga taga Manila, taga ibang probinsya na pumunta pa dito para lang i-celebrate tong araw na ito. Thank you all very much for coming, and 90 years to celebrate Mama's birthday. To us, she is Mama. To some of you, you may call her Nanay. Sino yung mga, maraming tumatawag kay Mama, Nanay na rin. Yeah. And then meron din mga tumatawag kay Mama ng Mother. Si Moy, tawag kay Mama Mother. And there's also who call her Lola, her grandma. And some may call her Auntie, o kaya Ante. Ante.